All right, what is going on, family? This is one of my chiller videos. So obviously, I have some educational ones, which this is educational as well. And then I have videos now where I just kind of flow, I kind of talk. I want you to get to know more of me, how I am and whatnot, right? So a little less structured, but still very informative, you know what I mean? Very relaxed. I'm actually about to take my wife out. I'm going to put her in the video as well, and yeah, you'll see her on camera too. But yeah, man, I'm gonna flow. So this video, I want to share with you guys, I want to give you guys some information. I'm gonna record a video for some students. I decided, you know what, let me go ahead and drop that too. It's a lot of, gems that I can give you guys from some information from this. So I actually logged into my brokerage account for my options account. For one of my systems, I went through the progress and the profits I had made, and I'm going to break down what you guys can take from it and just the significance of it. Um, so yeah, I mean, you'll see, I want to spoil it, but like, in this video, there was double digit returns, only in a few weeks, $1,000 made, very simple, very easily repeatable, right? Now, this is the primary thing I do want you to know before you watch the video, and then after I'm gonna break some things down for you, right? It does not matter that it's options. Again, I trade forex, futures, options, I intraday, and I swing trade, and I have algorithms, right? I do a little bit of everything. That's why I'm James with Market Made Wealth. You feel me? Market Made James, man. So it doesn't matter, man. All that matters is everything is there's a system to it. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch that. And then I'm going to come in and start giving you guys some more information so you can take it and be successful. I want to walk through my weekly option strategy. So I'm on my Charles Schwab account. I'm gonna go ahead and log in. And currently, now this is just for weekly. My daily options, I don't have in play right now on Charles Schwab. I will be adding some funds soon, and I will be doing both of these simultaneously. But for the moment, I'm gonna go over my weekly option strategy. So this is essentially just placing one trade every week, managing it. It's very low maintenance. I mean, literally maybe 5 minutes a day of management, and that's it. So the most work is just at the beginning of the week, doing the pre-market analysis, taking the trades, and that's it. And you can see, although this says 3 month change, this is actually only about a month and a week of profit. So if we go to my, you'll see, well, let me go to the active position I'm in. I'm currently in an active position. So to date, I have, let me go on realized gain loss. So you can see I've realized about 1,500 in profit. Obviously, this is different than our futures and forex that you may trade as well. Like I trade, of course, everything, options, futures, and forex and CFDs. But this is different, right? So to get out of these positions, of course, you have to actually buy out. So it's going to show loss, but you'll see in the equity curve in a second that, I mean, there were no realized losses. This is just getting in a position, getting out of position. So currently, this is showing you'll see again 1,500 on the summary. It's showing more than that because I'm currently in a position. So this is the position for the week. So it's a potential to make about 312. I've already captured about 68.70% of the cost basis. So I could close this now, or I could let it go up a little more in value and, close that way. But we're already sitting in profit, and I will most likely be closing this today to lock that in as well. So I believe I deposited like April 20 something. But if you go to my, let's go to 3 month view just to get that other little bit. So I'll start this account around the 20th. Put 5 grand in. I didn't start trading until the 27th. So to end this day, finished in profit $87. When you see these dips, these aren't losses. This is when the value of the stock went down for the day and then recovered. So you can see my equity curve is nice and steadily going up. It's not sharp up, sharp down, sharp up, sharp down. I like my equity curve steady. Steady growth shows consistency. I don't want big swings or fluctuations. And again, this is just literally taking a trade once a week. I occasionally may have had a few where I took two positions, but this is, typically one. So you can see it started on April 22nd, $5,000. Monday right here was the first day I actually placed the position. So from April 27th to May 27th was a $1,444.85 increase. And it's to show you that on the chart too. From here, right here, April 27th, $5,087. May 27th, $6,444.85. The strategy I implement and the way I do it and the mechanisms I use, it makes it very simple. It makes it very consistent. Nothing's predictable in this market, so I want to make things as predictable as possible. But like just kind of breaking this down, like play by play, week by week, like start off. So April 27th, $5,000. By Thursday, I was at 5,300. So $301 profit. Come back to Monday. And again, it finished down. The stock finished down on Monday. So I was at 5,300. And by Wednesday, I was at 526. So about $200, about $225 profit that week. Same thing next Monday, 526. And literally by Thursday it was at 955. So this week, about $425. So on and so forth. And then even this Monday, I started off here because you have to remember what you see on Monday is the closing balance. So this is where I started on Monday. And this is where we're already at. So already up 220, almost 220 plus. And this is, you have to think too as well, more was made. This is also taking into consideration the commissions. The commissions on options are, they're pretty hefty, but yeah, that's what I like. That's what I want is consistency. And then you don't need to chase more. Like I don't personally chase more. That's why when I want more trades, I'll do my daily one. So again, I will be adding funds soon to the daily one and implementing, but for now, this is that. This is roughly one trade, sometimes two if you want, but one trade a week. Manage it for maybe 5 minutes. Do your pre-market analysis ahead of time, beginning of the week, and that's it. It's only maybe 5 minutes of management a day. Super simple. That's how I like it. All right, so now that you guys watched that, I want to cover a few things with you so you can take this information and get value. And understand the significance of what it is I'm trying to show you guys so you can take this again, whatever market, and get the foundations of your system right. All right. What made me this consistent? It does not matter. You can be this consistent, obviously, in its own way, whether you're on stocks, options, futures, or forex, which again, my primary levers are futures and forex, primarily the foreign exchange market and futures, right? Again, for intraday. But this system on my weekly options, my daily options, or whatnot, right? Doesn't really matter. It's not the market that matters, right? It's your process. When you go in the same way every single time, that's one of the biggest things I did. Everything I did was done the same way every single trade. Every single trade without variation. There's no exceptions whatsoever. All right. I'm trading the same exact time. I'm looking at it, looking for my setups the same time every week. There's no variance on what I'm doing. And if there is a variance, I'm pulling back. You feel what I'm saying? I'm chilling. I'm like, nah, because I don't want to chase anything. I don't want to force anything. I'm not making nothing up. Right. This doesn't happen by accident. This isn't a video and that's one reason too. Like I don't personally have, which I'm going to begin to drop a few more. This is, again, this right here, I wasn't going to drop it because this is for students. I said, you know what? I was going through some videos. Let me drop this, right? Let me drop what I was going through with my students last month so you guys can get some value. With my students, I like to go over this stuff when I'm doing reviews and going over the trades, or I'm going over, my thought process during a trade. I'm not forcing anything. The markets have been around before us, they'll be around after us, right? That's how you don't end up over trading. So one, I'm not trading. I'm looking for the same exact thing. If the setup was missed, sit back, right? Sometimes, and this happened to me too once, sometimes you get presented with another opportunity, maybe even a better opportunity. So one of my moves, Monday didn't end up being it didn't end up being as fruitful as I was like, or give me the opportunity. I'm not sure if I was maybe with my daughter or whatnot, right? But again, I'm a human living life. Um, and I missed my ideal number. Stuck to the plan. Tuesday, I ended up getting a better price for the stock. The stock came down. I bought in, and then the value shot up, right? And then I made my money. Again, as you can see, it was just a steady incline every single day and every single week. Simple as that. I followed the exact steps, exact order, same time. Um, there's no discretion built in at all. And so this is why I like to make sure I always preach, right? I'm not saying nothing is 100%, nothing is absolute. You know what I'm saying? So, yes, you can have some discretion in your trading, you can make some money. But for the average person, and to get rid of most emotions, people don't understand you need to be systematic, mechanical, and your system needs to be repeatable, right? So, my foundation, everything I teach, everything I build upon is built upon this: mechanical, systematic, repeatable. Mechanical, systematic, repeatable. Simple as that. When you get that discipline, man, it doesn't matter whether, again, it's forex, it's futures, it's options, whatever. Doesn't matter if you trade on a 5 minute time frame, 15 minute, 1 hour. Again, I literally trade on a 5 minute last week and this week, on a 15 minute as well. And again, I like to swing too. Currently, right now, swinging is about to come back into play for me. I have times where I take off from swinging because of the volume, right? When the volume dips there in certain market sectors, I stop swinging for a while. So I just wanted to give you guys this information, show you what's possible, show you a lot of this stuff is real, and also just what it really looks like from, like, I feel like I pride myself too in being very honest, very transparent. Almost everybody who knows me knows that, you know what I'm saying? My students know this. And it's showing you too a real side of trading, right? Like, I don't have millions yet. I aspire to one day, but it's not about millions. I like to show what trading actually looks like, what consistency looks like, what hard work looks like. You know what I'm saying? Like, in my life, most things I've got, nothing's been given to me. I work hard for it, whether it be my muscle, my skills, the guys give me. I've had to work to really cultivate those skills. Same thing with trading. You know what I mean? I wish, me personally, James, I wish I could have gotten trading in the first 6 months. It just hit for me. That ain't how it worked. You know what I'm saying? For me, it took a couple years, right? And then it just grows upon each other. And it's like a equity curve, right? It grows up. So sharing you what the process really looks like. That's even some of my conversations, like in these free flowing videos. Some of these going to be more out and about because I do live out the country now full time, and just showing you what it really looks like. Not the cats on Instagram trying to market with the Lamborghinis and the cars and the flamethrowers and jumping out airplanes and shit like that. Giving you a real view. You know what I'm saying? And again, hopefully you can take it. You can be great. And man, yeah, you can grow and do all the things that you want to do for yourself and your family. So that's the main thing I wanted you to see, is just what's possible, slow and steady. You know what I mean? Obviously that's 5 grand, 2 grand profit, right? After commissions and fees and things like that. So you can imagine, you have 10K, what you can do. You have 15. And then as you start to diversify, don't just look at that one system. There's a reason I do multiple things, right? Because we diversify and put our money in different places. So you got 2, 3 grand coming from options. That's just the weekly one. Imagine the daily system I implement. Now you got futures with leverage, forex with leverage, intraday moves, swing trade moves, algorithms, so on and so forth. And we have a very vast portfolio. You understand? So that's all I got, man. Y'all continue to be great. Um, Make sure to, if you want help implementing these type of things in your strategy, that you go to the description and apply, right? Everything you need, as far as the information, is in my description. Feel free to apply. Let's see if we're a good fit to work together. And if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe. I drop videos like this every single week, so you guys can see, the real process, get help. Just sharing with you my journey, the things I'm doing to help those who I'm here to help. And as always, man, you know, it only takes the right person to help get you to where you want to be. That's exactly what I'm here for. So until next time, much love.